Collections are a system of folders within Lightroom. A smart collection will auto-populate with images based on certain criteria you have applied. Clicking on the plus symbol in the Collections tab, select Create Smart Collection. We will give it a name and choose whether to locate it in a collection set or not. We can see from the rule drop-down that there are many options to choose from. Anything with an arrow has further options. Clicking on the plus symbol at the end of our rule will give us the option of another rule. We can even choose criteria based on edits we have made in the Develop panel. When we select a negative clause, such as is false, we are selecting everything that doesn't agree with our rule. In this instance, everything that hasn't had any edits applied. We can choose whether we want any, all, or none of the rules to be matched. Any will include images qualifying at least one of the criteria. All will include images that satisfy every rule we have made. None will include all images that do not satisfy all of the rules. Then click on Create. Our smart collection has been created, containing images based on our criteria. It is shown apart from the other folders with a small, yellow cog icon. Right-clicking on our smart collection, we can edit it to change the criteria. We will add another rule and decide what way we want the inclusion criteria to treat it. We will then save our edits. Our smart collection now has less photos in it than before. If we make any changes to these images that cause them to fall outside of our criteria, like making an edit, they will disappear from this smart collection, but will remain in any other ordinary collections they are associated with. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.